Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off flip to mute feature in Google Pixel 7a. So in Google Pixel, it is called flip to silent. That means flip to shush. So how to do that? Simply open your menu, then go to settings application. Here you can see. Then scroll up the page. Then you will get system. You can simply scroll up, then get the system. Open system, then open gestures. Then the last option, flip to silent, you can see here, and there is the animation showing that how to flip the music or incoming notifications, and you can simply tap that button to turn off. Whenever you are playing music, you can simply flip the phone that playing music not be paused. So it is a very useful feature, but if you don't like, you can simply turn off from here. So that's the settings, and it will be given if you turn on the settings. Whenever you're flipping, it will be given a little subtle vibration to inform that we are muted. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.